Hey y'all, this is Todd with $20 Budget Prepper here. In our week 15 video, we're going to compare our price inflation, which is a lot higher than the recent 8.5% that the federal government BS put out. This is all the items, exact same items I did on my very first video that was published on February 1st of this year. As you can see, this time around we spent $22.18. Back in week number one, we spent a little over $17, $17.66 to be exact. So cost $4.52 more. That equates to a 25.6% price inflation in 6 months. So that's just crazy. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it. God bless. Food for thought. Let me know in the comments what you're seeing.